Hello, this is Team WeCreate's proposed business strategy for EcoOil, a company who have developed a new containerized technology to produce renewable fuel from ethanol. EcoOil has unique strengths that give it an advantage over competitors. These include having a unique technologically advanced product, fulfilling an urgent customer need, having multiple potential revenue streams, and having an exceptional R&D team who can continue to innovate. This alone, however, is not enough. EcoOil will need to have and implement an effective business plan in order to succeed. As part of this plan, we suggest that EcoOil internalise the manufacture of the containerised units, build marketing, sales, strategy and finance skills in-house, and create an after-sales service team. R&D will remain a top priority, including the broadening of the range of feedstocks that can be used. Building this internal capacity will be complemented by partnerships for both the feedstock sourcing and the product distribution, as well as developing collaborative processes with customers.
Global advantages for EcoOil are generated from biomass availability. Areas that offer loads of available biomass, which is not usable by all competitors, should be targeted, especially forest and agricultural residues, because they are so easy to find and offer loads of biomass. For example, in Europe, Scandinavia has a huge amount of forest, and you can find agriculture all over Europe. Locating close to a potential customer also creates competitive advantage, which would be harder to do outside of Europe because of increased distances. Most of the competing products, such as ethanol, biodiesel, and LNG, all require a specific engine, while EcoOil's products can be used without any modifications to the engine. It is also a more eco-friendly solution to the customers, which can nowadays be only seen as an advantage. The versatility of the technology allows it to be used in various engines, not just cars, but for example jets and ferries as well. Its small production unit size also allows the production to be expanded without huge investments.
Expanding the market share through licensing and franchises should be a priority. The raw material suppliers are key players who need to be satisfied to get the production going. Maintaining and developing partnerships require shared values and common goals. Pursuing allies with multinational oil companies such as Shell and local power players in the industry, EcoOil can access a large customer base. EcoOil is a valuable partner since it offers eco-friendly, innovative fuel solutions that enhance the image of its partners. EcoOil has all the possibilities to conquer the cargo industry, with customers operating in shipping, aviation and land transportation. Sustainable actions appeal to foreign investors and gains support from the local government. EcoOil should approach the transnational business strategy. The company can therefore have standardized ways of operations and also flexibility for different types of customers and locations. The company can spread across different continents through its network, advanced technology, and effective production process.
To achieve the international expansion of EcoOil, we propose a business model where the company's potential customers share a strong sense of caring for the environment and are pursuing clean energy options. Because of this, EcoOil must operate with high congruence to create a lasting relationship with them. We can divide the customers into 3 buckets, depending on the sales channel. First, sell licenses to the oil service industry, so they can use EcoOil's advanced technology that is in continuous innovation. Second, there is a possibility of selling franchises to the government of different countries and to transportation companies, attending their needs to provide a population with clean fuels or for self-use, in a relatively small space thanks to the containers. Finally, selling directly to individuals the final product or franchises that they could operate in their cities of residence. Now, to achieve this, it is necessary to have strategic alliances with the raw material suppliers and with containers manufacturers or renters in each location where the company will expand. In addition, To enhance the client portfolio, it is necessary to create relationships with oil and transportation companies owners, eco-conscious investors, and political actors that endorse environmental regulations. It is also necessary to focus monetary resources on the strengthening of the R&D team to continue innovating. It is needed an investment in marketing, a sales team that will prospect new clients, and an international support team that will specialize in monitoring licenses and franchises outside the country. In addition, it is required to invest in a global sourcing team to find containers manufacturers or renters to have a competitive price for the production space that can be transferred to the franchisees. All of the above will require an investment of 50 million euros in the next 5 years that will transform in 203 million euros over that time, considering franchise sales and commissions with 95% balance of sales, and licensing and direct sales from own production units with 5%.
To help EcoOil reach international market, we firstly examine its resources, capabilities, location selections, internalizations, which is the key factors to drive competitive advantages. Then we look at the co-creations, how the company strengthens its positions through strategic alliance with global partners. We also identify the importance of value creations with customers, yet maintain the sustainable business growth.